Today, we're in Hayden Valley, releasing 8 Trumpeter Swan cygnets along the Yellowstone River. This release is part of an effort to increase the number of total swan and territorial pairs, which were nearly extirpated from Yellowstone. The local population, which peaked at nearly 70 birds and 17 territorial pairs around 1960, declined to a low in 2010, where only 4 birds were documented in the park. Cause for the decline is unclear, but experts agree that it is likely due to multiple factors, including increased human visitation, predation, and climate-driven impacts on wetland conditions in some historic territories. Releases like this, alongside efforts to limit human disturbance and predation risks during sensitive nesting periods, have bolstered our population. We're seeing reproduction across the park by both released and naturally fledged swans from the region. And in 2024, we documented 25 adults and 3 breeding pairs. This effort is made possible by our partnership with Yellowstone Forever, Wyoming Wetlands Society, Ricketts Conservation Foundation, Greater Yellowstone Trumpeter Swan Working Group, and Montana State University. My name is David Haynes, biologist with the Yellowstone Bird Program.